Alright class, you can do some free time on your computer. But you can only do ABC, yeah, Starfall, and PBS Kids. No cool math.
Ms. Ellie. Can Dodger and I go to the bathroom?
Sure, Steven Dodger. But I was in the middle of a lesson.
We're not actually going to the bathroom. We're actually going to pull the fire alarm up, and that'll be Max, Everly, and their friends are in class. 9:30. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Alright class. We have a fire drill. Line up at the door. And then we line up at the soccer field.
It looks like someone pulled the fire alarm.
Alright class, we can go back in. That's the signal.
Steven Dodger, please report to the office.
Alright Steven Dodger, go to Principal Jennifer's office.
Steven Dodger. I caught you both pulling the fire alarm. I'm calling your parents.
Steven Dodger. When we get home, you will be grounded. Go to your rooms now.
Whoa. Whoa.